Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Khushal, and today I am super excited to share something amazing with you. The Accenture Developer Virtual Internship. It is completely free. What is it? Let's see. This internship is provided by the Accenture in collaboration with the Forage, and it is designed for students and developers who want to hands-on experience with real-world projects. You should get to work on models like project planning, software development, and client interaction, just like a real Accenture developer. Sounds good, na? One question in your mind, why you should do it? So here is the answer. For this internship, no prior experience is required. It is 100% free. It is self-paced. Means you can complete it on your own. It looks great on your resume and LinkedIn profile, so you can share it. So how to enroll this internship? To join, just go to the Forge platform, create a free account, and search for Accenture Developer Program. Also, I shall drop the link in the description for you. In my point of view, my experience is when I complete this internship recently, I honestly it helped me understand how the large tech companies work. The tasks are super beginner friendly and practical. I highly recommend it to all students and aspiring developers to complete it because it's free and no much time required for this completing. So you can complete it. Okay, so just click on the link which is I given in the description. Just paste on it. Just enter. You can see this type of interface. The signature development sounds like this. So first click on program, then if you have the account, just click on the continue with Google. If you don't have any account of Forge, then you just create an account by signing. So I just have the account, so I continue with the Google. It takes some time to load page. Then we see the interface. Okay, wow, what an interface. Okay guys. Okay, so I summarize this internship. So there are some tasks numbered from 1 to 5, and there are the overview of each task and how to complete it by there are some guides you can go through and complete this internship. And after completing the 5 tasks, you can get an amazing certificate by the Accenture and sponsored by the Forge platform. The Accenture company is one of the most IT firm in the world. So it is most important to that your LinkedIn profile or resume highlight with this type of certificate. So enroll it fast and complete it. Okay then, it's all about today's. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career and internship content. Let me know in the comments if you have enrolled or completed already. Okay then, have a good day, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye.